What's up, people? Coming to you live in my office. I know, right? This is great. It's something you don't see every day. So I did a little bit of work yesterday, and I apologize. I'm trying to edit videos right now, so keep in mind with that. So I have some things that I've added. Let me know what you guys think. But I feel that I've gotten pretty damn good so far. So most of everything is off. I'll show you the process, so bear with me here. Okay, so while I'm actually working on this, I'm trying to get this lovely little castle nut out right there. So, fun fact, it is a 17-inch. So, I'm gonna try and see if I can take this thing off. You know, it would help to go the right way. Okay, so got it pulled up here. Taking a little bit of time. Oh, Jesus. All right, yeah, that is not going anywhere. All right, give me one quick second. All right, rule of thumb: when you try breaking something, make sure you're doing it the right way. Let's start with that. Well, I got this bolt off, which is awesome, by the way. This thing has been a pain in the butt. Beautiful. So, if any of you guys don't know, here's what a castle nut looks like. So, crown nut, whichever the case may be, this is what this is. There's a little piece of metal, I don't remember, cotter pin, there we go. Cotter pin that goes into the actual nut right here, and then that will wrap around. So if you wanted to tighten that on there without making it loose, that's where you do it. Okay, so we're gonna work on getting this off. So we're gonna go ahead and slide the pick fork on there, and we're gonna beat it a few times, so give me a second here. Sorry, it's a little hard for me to use one hand. So then once that's done, that comes right off. So that's how you remove a tie rod. Okay, I apologize, I got a little overzealous. So here's the bolt that goes down here. It is a 17mm bolt that goes right through. I just did it on accident, so again, my apologies. All right, so we're working on this little fucker today, trying to get this one out. And then after that, essentially, everything I need to get done. I just noticed that my tie rod, or not my tie rod, my sway bar, the bushings they're mint. Look how mint those are. They're horrible. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, and then this thing's also just flaky. So we gotta figure that out. But this whole thing is coming off. So we gotta get all of it off. Come on. All right. There we go. All right, so got this thing off. So upper sway bar, there we go, is about to come out as well. So got that. So we'll be able to take all this off here pretty shortly, actually. So let's see if we can do this in real time. I have no idea what this looks like. So, do I need to get a pickle fork through this too? Probably. Oh, how you love pickle forks. I love them so much. My God. Hey, there we go, got it. Hell yeah. All right, cool. Awesome. Yay, now this is free. Get this thing off again. Is that the right way? No, here we go. All right, that off. So I know where you are. I've been coming into a habit of putting the nut back where you found it. Because that way, if I'm not dumb, there, I'll be able to get it back on. There we go. All right, that way you don't lose it. It's so much easier. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Oh, yes. Oh, I've been trying to get this thing off for at least 2 hours. Oh my gosh, this has been a huge win today. Oh man, I am so excited. Hey, my ball joints they're not bad. Oh, I'm so happy about this. Heck yeah. Oh, heck yes. Oh, I'm so pleased about this so much. All right, and then now you get your Ugga Duggas. Oh, I am very much excited for this. All right, we're just gonna send it. There we go. Heck yeah, and it's gone. Oh, I'm so pleased with this. Yes. Oh, yay, 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 yay. All right, so this I should be able to, if I can figure it out. There we go. Come on. Okay. Go back up. That way. Give me a second.